Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. So let us see what is coming up, Scorpios. We'll be picking few cards from each deck, guys, and we'll be picking one card from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So we'll open the cards as we proceed, guys. These are for your daily energies. These may relate to your work situation or your relationship, guys. And these cards are for your love energies. So this is what you feel about this relationship or what your person feels about this relationship, guys. We'll turn the cards as we proceed into the reading. And this is for your oracle message. Let's turn the cards, Scorpios. 10 of Wands in reverse. The Sun. 9 of Pentacles in reverse, guys. Scorpios, with these cards, the energy is that, guys, you are facing a lot of struggles and difficulties in your work, and there may be people who are working against you in your work situation. People are trying to trick you into certain decisions or deceive you in when making certain choices or decisions, or in your relationship things are not you feel things are not going well. Lots of misunderstandings and quarrels, some disagreements are there, lots of difficulties. That is what I see here with these cards. But this card, you are feeling really confident that you can do anything you want in your life, guys. You feel that understanding in yourself, you have faith in yourself, that firm conviction and determination and confidence to do anything, and you are seeing the path to reach your goals. And maybe you are seeing the way to overcome all these difficulties also. You are having that clarity of vision today, guys. Though you may have lots of troubles and obstacles in your life regarding your work or in maybe in your relationship, you know how to solve things, you know the way to deal things, and that is the reason that you are confident that you will be able to overcome those negatives that you have in your work or in your personal life, guys. So that is the energy with these cards. Let us see what are the cards for your relationship. We'll turn the cards now. Snake, clouds, cross. With these cards, Scorpios, I see here you are having confusions about something, about this person or about your relationship. You are in doubt. You feel this person has what to say, they are having a different face. They may not be showing the true face. So that is the reason that you're feeling that they are not true to you. They may try, they are trying to deceive you, maybe. For some of you all, appearances are deceiving. That is what you feel. Outwardly they are a very good person, but inside, the truthful self, what they have, that is not the same. So what they portray is different from what they are. So you feel you are blinded by their charm, and that is the reason that you are facing these troubles, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you are having because of your situation, those struggles and sacrifices whatever you have made till now, you are leaning towards some kind of faith or belief. You may be into some religious practices also, and maybe for some of you all, you are finding that deep comforting feeling and that sense of shelter in those beliefs. So whatever that you have, that faith, that may be working to bring that confidence and courage in your heart to progress in your life, guys. That is what you feel here. And you are facing lots of trials in your life, so that suffering has uh, made you realize your inner worth. You may be a person of some kind of spiritual growth. You may be seeing a spiritual growth, guys. And also in this relationship with this person, it may be a fated relationship. That is the reason that they are there at this time with you, guys. So for you to learn those lessons that you need to learn in your life, that is the reason that they are there with you now. So it may be a karmic connection, guys, that you have with this person. So let us see what is your wisdom oracle message. So let's think deeply within ourselves. What is that question we need to get answer for, Scorpios? So that is this is the answer for that question. So this is your wisdom oracle message, guys. So we'll turn the card now. Flexible. Scorpios, the energy with this card is that you need to be open minded, guys, being adaptable. This may relate to your work situation or in your relationship. If you are uh, already in a relationship, you don't have to be right all the time. You don't have to insist that you are the one who is right all the time. Maybe sometimes we can compromise to get that happiness in our relationship. Or if you are single, if you are looking for a person with a certain set of qualities, but you meet a person who is totally different from your expectations, but still you like them a lot, but still they are good in their own way. You can be flexible, and you can be happy that you have made the choice to be with this person who does not fulfill your expectations, guys. Or in your work situation, when you want to work towards success or growth, you need to loosen up your mind and heart and see how other people are approaching that situation in your work. So rigidity will only give you people who are opposing you, and you will not benefit from that. So to make your work and your situation to be mutually beneficial, you should give up that rigidity. You should be flexible, supportive of their ideas, and it will bring great opportunities your way, and you will unleash great potential in the way you work together. So that is what the wisdom oracle is guiding us with today, Scorpios, and that is the reading for you all, guys. Hope you like this reading. If this reading resonated, please like I'll be doing more of such readings, and please comment whether you liked it and whether this reading resonated, or should we make any changes in our daily reading, guys. Thank you for watching this video, Scorpios. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.